Welcome to Web Crawler Spider. Let us see how to make direct call from extracted phone numbers. Click on the call icon button, select the country. Then click on call button. Now click on open, choose phone link application. Then create or choose a Microsoft account. Click on add account and click O continue. Here you can sign in into your account. And for creating new account, click on create one. Enter an email ID, click on next and then create a password. Enter your name here. Enter your region and DOB. Enter the verification code sent on your email. Then choose the Microsoft account. You can select any device, iPhone or Android. We will proceed with Android. For scanning the QR code, you need to install Link to Windows app on your phone. Sign in with the same account or click on sign in using QR code on your phone. Enter the code reflected on your PC on your phone and continue. Then enter the password on your phone. You are all set. Click on continue. Click on get started. By using this app, you can make calls, send text and see photos from your phone using your PC. Click on get started. Then start pairing your phone with the PC via Bluetooth. Click on continue. Your phone is successfully linked with the PC. Go to Web Crawler Spider and click on call button. Now you can make direct calls to the phone numbers from your PC.